So, good morning everyone. Today we will be doing MCQs, chapter triangles. This ink is far too fat. What is the reason for this ink being so fat? Anyone can tell me? Can anybody tell me this logical reason? Why is the ink fat? Thick? No one? No one? Because I've zoomed in. If I zoom out, see thin. I don't think this question is meant for you all, right? Is it meant for you all? Excuse me. Anybody knows this is equilateral triangle? Clear? The next thing will start from chapter number 2. Sorry, question number 2. Can you see the question properly? Yes. Please copy the question. Copy the question. Copy the question and tell me the answer. Root 3 by 4 a square. Option C is the correct answer. Very good. You have to know this thing, and if we have to derive this thing, can anybody tell me how should we do it? If you would have attended yesterday's class properly, I said yesterday the height of the altitude came out to be root 3 by 2 side. Yes or no? So half into base into height. Our base is how much? A. And height is how much? Root 3 by a side. So it gives us root 3 by 4 side square. Yes or no? Is this small derivation clear to everyone? If you would have attended yesterday's class, this would be fresh in your mind. The height of the equilateral triangle. Height of the altitude of the equilateral triangle. Is it clear? Can you move on?
Yes.
Question number 3 is visible to everyone. Tell me the answer. And tell me the logic also. I need the logic also. People are expected to join the class on time. At least join before 10:15.
Sir, by the midpoint.
Sorry?
Sir, option B is the correct answer. B.
Option number B. Reason?
Sir, by midpoint.
By midpoint theorem. What does midpoint theorem say?
Sir, the midpoint theorem says that if a line passes through the midpoints of two sides of a triangle, then sir it is parallel to the third side and half of the third side.
It is the half of the side parallel to that, right? So our answer will be option number B, Bombay. Is it clear to everyone? Please copy down this question properly as well as the only correct option, copy it down. And you'll have to do out there right by midpoint theorem. Side will be parallel, will be half of that. This will be DE. Draw the figure also. Draw the figure also. Half of DE, DE will be half of BC. Let me when this is done. We'll move on to the next question, question number 4. Do not forget to write the explanatory part so that when you look at it later on, it is known to you that from where on this planet has this all come. Next question, question number 4. Copy the question first.
It will be 10.
Which option?
Option C.
Calcutta?
Option C.
Logic?
The first of all, diagonals for rhombus in the bisect each other.
Bisect at 90 degree.
Yes.
So that's it, our work is done out there, right? 90 degree bisect. So half will be 8 and half will be 6. So this will be obviously 10. Pythagorean triplet. People who have problem in this, please copy down this. Make sure you copy down the figure also. I hope it's clear to everyone, yes or no. But you have to know this property that the diagonals of this rhombus bisect each other at right angles. Only then you will be able to do this numerical. Please let me know when this is done. Draw the figure at least. People who have done it, draw the figure. Done. Can you move on to the next question?
Yes.
Okay, question number 5. I hope it's visible to everyone. Corresponding sides of the two similar triangles are given ratios. Area of the smaller triangle is this much. Larger triangle का area you have to find out. Simple. Copy the question first. Kaustav Sarkar kindly joined the class on time. Next day onwards, after 10:18, no one will be allowed in the class. Have I made myself clear? Yes or no? After 10:18, no one will be allowed from the class. Question number 5, answer in the chat box. Hurry up. Option D is Somajit has answered. Very good. It's very simple. It's 1, 2 into 9. 12 into 9. 108 is the answer. Now people who are having problem, this is a simple formula to do it. A1 by A2 is the square of the corresponding sides. Clear? Clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Copy down this and let me know when it's done. We'll be moving on to the sixth numerical for today. Done this one. Can you move on to the sixth one?
Yes, sir.
Sixth one is far easier. Very easy. Hurry up, answer.
Option 8, 30 centimeters.
Option number A for
Sir, 8
apple. I don't think this will be difficult ask, right? Perimeter is 100, two sides are 30, 40, 100 minus 30, 40 is 30, right? Now comes the original question. Can you see the question? Question number 7. First of all, you do one thing, you copy the question. ठीक है ना? उसके बाद then you proceed with the solving of it. Copy the question first. I'll pause the video. I need the solution from your side. What is the option? Very good. Now, since both the triangles are similar, obviously the corresponding side will be similar as well as the perimeter. It will be proportional, right? Check this out. Ask me if you have any doubts. I'm pausing the video. First, check it out. Anyone having any problem? Next set of numerical. Now do it.
Option number A.
Sorry?
The answer is option A.
What format did you use?
Sir, root 3 by 2A.
Root 3 by 2 sine.
Yes.
Everybody has got this answer? So much of Jamila not required. Just use root 3 by 2 sine. A for apple is the answer. Everyone let me know if you have any doubts in this numerical. 2.5 into root 3, 1.732. You can choose to do it this way, or you can directly take the value for root 3 as 1.732. Everyone tell me if you're doing it that way, you're getting the answer or not. Done, everyone? Confirm? Yes or no? বলেছো তো সবজিৎ কোথায়?
Yes, sir, done.
Question number 8. Tell me which option. Copy the question first.
Sir, it is option B. B for mom.
How much? Which option?
Sir, option B is angle B equals to angle D.
Angle B equals to angle D. Is it sure, everyone?
Yes, sir.
You drawn the figure?
Yes.
Angle B equals to angle D. Clear? Because the angle will be between the sides proportional. Can I move on to the next numerical? Question number 10. A very easy numerical now.
Option D. Sir, option D.
Copy the question first. Copy the question.
Sir, option D. D for
Hmm.
D.
Copy the question and write the answer.
Option D.
Option D, Delhi. Square both the sides, you will get the answer. Clear? Question number 11, write the question first.
Option B. Sir, option B.
B.
D. Sir, D for Delhi.
Bombay.
Sir, no, sir, D for Donkey.
D for donkey. Nice. So everybody's got the answer? Can anybody tell me the reason for all the three being similar? The rest of the figures are similar, no? Right? Reason? Hmm? Hmm? Good. D for Delhi or D for donkey, whatever feels like. D is the answer. Clear? Now comes the original question. Now do it. Copy the question first, copy. Pausing the video.